Hello, this is Shannon at the Germantown Public Library here to tell you about this week's take-home craft. This week we will be making a snow measuring stick that maybe you will get to put to good use this winter. So when you pick up your kit at the library, in it you are going to find a paint stick and a couple containers of paint, a color and white. You will also need a marker, a black marker, and any other colors of markers that you might want, and also a ruler. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the color, whatever color you've been given in your kit of paint, and you're going to paint the entire stick that color. So front and back if you want to. I think it looks a little nicer if you do both sides. Go ahead and paint the whole thing and then let it dry. And then, if you would like, you can paint a little design on the handle. I painted a little snowman on mine. You could certainly do whatever you want. The white paint makes it nice. You could paint your snowman with it. You could paint little dots of snow. You can make snowflakes. And then the markers, I used that because I needed just something so tiny. Once it was dry, I used a marker to make the snowman's face and hat. The next step, though, the most important part, is to get your measuring lines on your stick. So for that's where you'll take your ruler and you will actually lay it down flat on the table beside your stick and go ahead and take your marker and you'll mark off each inch. So at 1 inch, I made a black line and then I put the number 1. And at 2 inches, I made a line and I put number 2, and so forth and so on. But you want to try to make them as accurately close to 1 inch apart as possible so you can get an accurate measurement of how much snow you have in your yard. I hope you've enjoyed this take-home craft, and we will see you next week for another one. Thanks so much.